What's the meaning of continued? Continued. Continued.
Continued. Continued. Continued is an abbreviation commonly used as a truncated form of the word continued. It is often used in written works, particularly in novels and articles, to indicate that a particular section or sequence of events has been interrupted and will be continued in subsequent pages or chapters. This abbreviation is especially useful when space is at a premium or when the writer wants to maintain a sense of suspense or intrigue across multiple segments of their work. Overall, continued helps readers to better follow complex narratives and stay invested in ongoing storylines.